I am Oguz Alyanak. I'm a PhD candidate in the Department of Anthropology here in Washington University in St. Louis, and my research is on anthropology of escapes. What I mean by an anthropology of escapes is actually quite a simple thing. So when life, with all its obligations and responsibilities, just weighs down on us, where do we go? That's something that I'm really interested in. Where's that place that we find solace and comfort in? Maybe in solitude, maybe with the company of others. Where's that place? I really asked that question in my research. And to find answers to that question, I went to Strasbourg. The men that I study started taking me out on car rides to coffee houses, to mosque associations, to casinos. And I was interested in what was happening here, that I was just accompanying them in these excursions, which is what I thought it was at first. But I was asking questions like, why aren't these men at home with their wives, with their children, with their mothers? These are men that come from different ages. Some of them are born in Turkey and came to France, to Strasbourg, and the others, they're just born there as second, third generation immigrants. So I started spending time with them outside of work and home, but also at work and home as well. So in order to understand what these men's lives were like, and what was it they were seeking outside of workspaces and home spaces, what does it mean to live life? What does it mean to escape, to just lose yourself for, even if it's for a short period of time? And at what costs does it come? So that's the research that I did in Strasbourg, and I'm currently writing my dissertation on this topic. And the dissertation is structured in 3 different spatial domains. So first I start with the workspace and try to understand what masculinity and the lives of these men really look like in workspaces and what it demands of them. And then I move to home and what home means to these men. What is it that they're looking for at home? What is it that they're not getting at home? And then I look at outside. And outside consists of different spaces that we go to, either by car or just by walking around or just by hanging around, squatting out on the streets, just doing nothing. But that nothing is quite meaningful to them. So I'm trying to understand what that meaning is and what it adds to their lives.